Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the Cooler MasterBox Q300L Micro-ATX tower, a sleek and functional case designed to elevate your PC building experience. This case features magnetic dust filters with a unique pattern that not only protect your components but also add a distinctive look. With ample interior space, it accommodates Micro-ATX or Mini-ITX motherboards, CPU coolers up to 159mm, GPU cards up to 360mm, and PSUs up to 160mm in length, ensuring easy and future expansion. The versatile cooling system allows for a 240mm liquid cooler and up to 5 fans, maximizing cooling performance. Its modular I/O panel can be adjusted to the front, top, or bottom on both sides, offering flexibility in your build. The edge-to-edge transparent acrylic side panel lets you showcase your meticulous build with pride, while the open thermal design with perforated sides promotes optimal airflow and heat dissipation. Whether you're a seasoned builder or a newcomer, the Cooler MasterBox Q300L offers the perfect balance of style, functionality, and performance for your next PC project. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.